Hey everyone, it's Sean from Empire Drone. Today we're going to take a look at the all-new DJI Mini 2, specifically the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. You might be wondering why. There's already a billion videos on the internet about the Mini 2. What we're interested in is the Mini 2 as an indoor tactical drone for public safety professionals like police and SWAT. The original DJI Mavic Mini was a big hit with these groups because of its small size, the 360-degree prop guards, meaning you could run into anything from any direction, and its incredibly stable indoor flight capabilities. We have clients with first-hand stories where their SWAT teams using the Mavic Mini as the new point person for clearing rooms. The team member in the back of the stack would control the drone and call out what they see to the point person in the front of the stack before entering the room. The Mini 2 boasts a 31-minute flight time, a 4K camera, and a 6-mile range, with greater wind resistance with more powerful motors. A lot of great new specs, but how does the Mini 2 stand up to the original when it comes to indoor tactical flight? Let's take a look. In the Fly More combo, you'll find the aircraft, 3 intelligent flight batteries, 3 pairs of propellers, and a 2-way charging hub, shoulder bag, and various cables and other accessories. After rigorous tests, we found that the indoor flight qualities of the Mini 2 are just as good as the original Mini. We definitely like the updated controller, which is the same controller as the Mavic Air 2. The updated controller is also compatible with the Lifthor Baldur Tablet Holder, which is a nice plus. You can learn more about the Baldur Tablet Holder in our other video found in the link in the description of this video. You're also able to mount a Foxbury D3060 drone light to the top of the Mini 2 to provide a high-powered light source, which is key for indoor operations. The DJI Mini 2 retails for $449, and the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo, which we showed you today, retails for $599. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and visit our website and social media through the links below. We'll see you next time.